This video will demonstrate how to install artificial grass at your home. Before you begin, we recommend you have the following tools. However, not all of these are essential. To start, you will need to remove 60 to 80 millimeters of soil off the top of your area. Lay 50 to 70 millimeters of your top course. Level it with a rake and straight edge. Then compact it. You want the top course's height to be 10 to 15 millimeters lower than the final level you're trying to achieve. Measure the area to work out the most efficient laying method and where the joins will be. Lay out the grass, ensuring each strip is in the same direction. Overhang the grass into any garden edges. You'll cut these accurately shortly. If you have an excess black edge, trim this off. To join the grass, butt the pieces together, then fold back the grass and lay the joining tape in the centre. Unpeel the joining tape and lay the two pieces of grass down on top of it. Press the grass in to get a good bond. Pin the lawn into place with weed mat staples or nails. Place them 60 millimeters in from edges and about 200 millimeters apart. When pinning the grass down, ensure you're pulling it tight. 150 millimeter galvanized flathead nails were used in this install. Once pinned down, trim the grass around all edges. Now use tennis sand to weigh the grass down. This helps the strands stay up and gives it a better feel underfoot. 10 to 15 kilograms of sand per metre squared of grass is recommended. Brush the sand into the grass to spread it and get it sitting below the surface. It's best to brush against the direction of the grass strands so they sit upright and give it a plush look. You now have a lush green lawn to enjoy.